Hello and welcome to ChopChopChef. Before I reveal our cooking today, I think it's for me more than overdue to give a big thank you and a great applause to all of you who follow me all the time and who are my loyal supporter, right? So thank you so much for watching every Wednesday my little clip for you. Now today I will do with you a green bean vegetable. Not to mix it up with I did previously on a different segment sauteed green beans. Today we do a green bean vegetable. Now to do that, please come here. So we have our green beans, right? We just clean them, and then these green beans we just slice in sort of centimeter kind of lengths. Okay, so we have this one and we put it all in here, zack zack, and then we take these raw beans just diced up with our little onion, garlic and speck, yeah. And then we're coming over here in our little tiny bread pan. We put a little bit olive oil in here. Okay. Yeah. And already we can put in our bacon bits, the onion and the garlic. So now this one we just quickly swirl a little bit around, just make it sort of, give it a little bit of shiny color, the onions. And right now already that's good enough. So we can put our beans in here. Now we're putting our beans in here. Okay, have a look at this. Again, I quickly just swoop, 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 swirl it around. Now here we go. Now I'm adding a vegetable stock. Like that. And already now I put a little bit of a few cracks of salt and a touch of pepper. And this whole thing we're putting now a lid on, and we let it come for simmering for 3-4 minutes till the beans are completely well done cooked. Okay, our beans, they just simmered now for good, say 2 minutes. And one thing I did not tell you or show you, I added a little bit of thyme before I put the lid on, but this thyme I take out now. Right, just a few sprigs of thyme. Okay, what's next? Now you can see, okay, the beans are now nicely well cooked. We put our pan down, and now we have this beautiful vegetable stock with all the flavors in it. Now we will add a little bit of our beurre manier. Beurre manier, I'm using a few of my segments. That's a flour and butter mixture, 1-to-1. This one will not give you any lumps, and it's easy. So we're putting just a little bit of this one in here, and we swirl it nicely in. Our liquid. Maybe a little bit more. That will do the trick. Now this whole thing obviously has to come quickly to simmer when you have a look around. So now we have a nice silky smooth kind of liquid. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, no lumps, no nothing. And now we're just putting our beans and everything back through this beautiful mixture again. Right? Oh, beautiful, the bacon as well, the speck, yeah. That's so nice. Let's bring this a little bit to simmering, and of course we have to taste it. Very important, right? That's just don't need anything else. Let's bring this quickly up simmer. And so quickly you have another version of the green beans as an option for vegetable. You see the color still stays as well. Yeah. So you have your sauteed green beans, or this one is green bean vegetable. So now you can see it's sort of bubbling nicely all over the place here. Let's just keep this for one minute, so the starch cooks nicely out from our butter and our flour, and this is a nice smooth silky mixture. I like to add now, just on this amount, just a little dot of double cream, right? And we mix this one in as well, as I always do. Let's come over here for our presentation. And here we go. That's our beautiful green bean vegetable. And yes, you don't have to have the bacon, you can leave it out, make it completely vegetarian, there's no problem whatsoever, right? But for the bacon lovers, this gives an extra oomph, obviously. Yeah. So look at this, ladies and gentlemen. That's the other version of my green bean vegetable for you to enjoy. Please